Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you saw my last video, we did the flight sim with a graphics card that's like 8 years old. It only had 3 GB of memory. Still played the game actually pretty decently, but we now have our working 3070 Evga card, and let me tell you, it's already a big difference just on the startup. With the old card it was 60 frames at startup. This one had like 170 and then 130. Right now we're pushing 100 frames. We're gonna go into the options here and we're gonna see what flight sim sets up for us. We're gonna go ahead and go full screen 1440, and you know what, let's leave it at custom and see how it looks, just to see what kind of frame rate we're gonna be pushing here. And we're gonna go back to the same airport we were at before. We'll go ahead and set departure here so we can head towards downtown. Our flight conditions, it is nighttime right now, so go ahead and change it to probably daytime here. Let's go. Let's just go in the morning. High level clouds and see how that looks. Cool, everything looks in order. We'll do some live traffic in there. So the FPS right now has jumped drastically from 6 frames per second all the way to 95. Let's see what we're going to be pushing here once we actually have the world rendered. Alright, and here we go.
Houston Tower Flight Design Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra at runway 9 are ready for takeoff, straight out departure.
So this is what whatever settings they're recommending. Definitely there's more cars in the background and detail looks a lot better. Let's do an external this time. So as I mentioned in my other video, you need at least 30 solid frames, you know, consistently. Oh, we had a jerk right there. So we need at least 30 frames, you know, a steady 30 frames for the game to look playable. We're running 48, no issues, super smooth. Looks really good so far. Look at that, it looks spectacular. As I mentioned, it is nighttime where I'm at right now, but this is my home airport, Bush Intercontinental. Wow, that is so smooth. I will say though, I'm still a little disappointed with how it looks. I think we can push it a little further. Oh, we had a big dip right there, 27. Let's go ahead and mess with the graphics a little bit and see where we're at. I want to do ultra. Let's see how hard that hits us. Okay, so we're pushing just a little under 30. It's alright. A little bit of tweaking. I think we'll get it to solid. See, right now it's a little jerky. Let's go and bump it down just a little bit. And instead of ultra, let's just do high end. Apply and save. Alright. Interesting enough. Okay, there we go. There we go. It's like, okay, well, we dipped down in frame rate. Here's a lot better. And it's just incredible, the level of detail here. Look at that. There's cars on the road. That's so awesome. There's actual bridges. It's just amazing the level of detail they're able to put into this game. It's so crazy how far they've come from the last version. So what we're going to do is we're going to fly towards downtown Houston and we're going to check out and see how that looks. So one of the reasons I was taking a hit with the FPS is I'm actually screen recording at the same time. So I feel that that is hitting into the FPS a little bit. So I'll have to do some tweaking to find the best mix of graphic detail and in addition to you know, also being able to screen record for you guys. But on this side is the Galleria area, medical center area, and this is downtown Houston. Looks really amazing. So as you can see, they added effects to make the highways look like they have depth to them. Alright, we'll go a little bit slower now that we're approaching downtown. Alright, we reset our camera and here we are, downtown Houston. It's incredible how this looks. It's incredible how far technology has come, you know? In just a few short years, now you can replicate the world in 3D on a game.
Descend and maintain 7,800 feet, Spirit Wings 373.
And to think, you can actually distinguish all of these buildings in real life. We'll make our way around here and go to the Toyota Center, which is right over here. The Hilton, this is the George R. Brown Convention Center.
United 2106 traffic is 10 o'clock 3 miles at 2,200 feet generic. Report them in.
Next we'll make our way over to Minute Maid Park.
Traffic alert. 1 o'clock less than 1 mile, 1,900 feet generic. Report them in sight.
Wow. Insane. This is actually our courthouse with the dome. Small courthouse, right? The jail is right here, these two buildings. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks for flying with me. We're just making our final approach here to KHOU, which is Hobby Airport here in Houston. This airport is on the south side of Houston. We're just south of downtown. I am just absolutely blown away by how much detail they include in this game. Insane.
Air Shuttle 6076 have the generic in sight. Maintain 7,900 feet altimeter, 2.992.
Can you imagine living this close and the planes fly over your house? That's insane. But pretty smooth, clear day. Not a lot of crosswind in the weather.
Climb and maintain 6,500 feet. Expect vectors ILS runway.
Alright, should have a pretty smooth landing here. Kind of just let it float in. Alright.
Descend and maintain 7,900 feet. Commute Air 4370.
And that is it, guys. Again, if you like some of this content, let me know. Maybe I can make it better. Let me know what you want to see, what you would prefer to see. Still pretty new to whole screen recording and talking to you guys, so do apologize if I do go silent sometimes. It's just, I understand you have to stay talking the entire time. Which I'm used to talking on my videos, but it's more scripted. This is kind of more on the fly based on how the game is going. We're gonna check both ways here, make sure there's no traffic. We're good to go. But yeah, let me know what you think of the content. If you want to see more of it, if you want to see different games, kind of let me know. I'm still doing the RC stuff, so don't worry about that. It's just I'm kind of not. I upgraded my PC because I needed it for school, for a lot more things in school, and I was like, you know what? Let me build this badass gaming PC that can also multitask. So that's why I went with Ryzen this time. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. As always, if you have anything to mention or any comments, leave them down below. If not, we'll see you on the next video.